In this lesson we will focus on finding below Arabic alphabets in Quran.
Seen.
Good job. Okay. Rayan, is there a scene in this line? Maybe we see it. Maybe it's not even there. Okay, let's just see.
Seen.
Oh, no scene. It can look like a scene sometime, but it's not. Okay. If it has a dot or something else, it's not a scene. Okay. Okay. What about this one? This looks like a scene's body, but it's not scene. You know why? Because it's got those three dots there. So this is not seen because it's got these three dots there. This is seen. Yes. This one is seen. Yes. This one is seen. But this is not seen because it has those three dots. We don't need those dots. Okay, good job. Let's go find Laam, okay? Let's go find Laam, okay? Whenever you see a Laam, let me know it's a Laam, okay? Okay. So let's go. Okay, now you have to find a big Laam, okay?
Okay.
Give me a big Laam, okay? You don't have to find the little lambs. Right now, we're just going to find a big Laam. Okay, let's go. Let's go find the Laam. Where is it? Where is it? Where is Laam? 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 Laam is right here, right? Okay, good job. Hey, where is Laam? Laam is right here. Sometimes the Laam doesn't even hide. Okay, it's like that. Okay, sometimes the Laam can hide. Okay, sometimes the Laam is where? The Laam is some of the Laams I'll show you. Okay, hey, that's a Laam. Okay, and that's a Laam. Next time we'll go find Laams, okay? Laam can hide in a tricky way. Just remember it turns the Laam side. It turns the Laam side. Okay, and now I'm quickly going to find letter Ba. Okay, the Ba can hide like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you all the Bas in green, okay? Hey, one dot down. I need something with one dot down in the first line, no Ba. The second line, no Ba. Hey, I just found a Ba. Okay, how are you going to recognize it? One dot down. Okay, hey, I found one bar here. Hey, I found a bar here also. Okay, so I'm sure I missed a couple of bars in this sheet, but these are all the way. This is the way of the bar heights. Okay, one dot down. Okay, let's go.